Okay, this one was fun, okay? And this was hard to film because we couldn't get all the layers to show clearly. That's why you see like the real white background in there. So we start off with some peach snaps, all right? Again, this is a density base shot, and then we lay on some cranberry juice. Okay, so cranberry juice floats on top. Beautiful. Get some more cranberry juice in the next one. Nice little layer of cranberry juice. And you want to take your time with these layers. Keep them kind of thin, okay? Because 4 different layers have to go in here. All right, now we come behind that with some vodka. All right, so vodka should float on top of the cranberry juice. And when we say cranberry juice, we're talking about cranberry cocktail, guys, okay? Because there are different kinds of cranberry juice. All right, then we layer some absinthe on top of that, okay? So this is a potent drink. That absinthe, because the absinthe we're using is 80% alcohol. Just to give you an idea, vodka might be 40, so this is double, all right? So there you have it. Okay, the Detox, Dangerous Detox shot. For more shots like this, go check us out, tipsybartender.com. Later.